Henry Ford wasn't just the inventor of the Model T car, he was a dreamer, a builder, and a problem solver. His work made cars affordable and changed how people lived, worked, and traveled. Here are 5 cool facts about Henry Ford that show how he left a big mark on history. Number 1, he built his first car in a shed. Long before Ford became famous, he worked as an engineer in Detroit. At night, he worked on his own invention, a small, self-propelled vehicle. In 1896, in a tiny shed behind his house, Ford built the quadricycle. It had 4 bicycle wheels, a small gasoline engine, and no roof or doors. When he tested it, he had to break down a wall just to get it out of the shed. It wasn't perfect, but it showed what was possible. That homemade car was the start of something big. Number 2, he didn't invent the car, but he made it for everyone. Many people think Henry Ford invented the automobile, but that's not true. Other inventors had made cars before him. What made Ford special was that he figured out how to build cars quickly and cheaply so that more people could afford them. His big idea came with the Model T in 1908. It was sturdy, easy to drive, and low-priced. Soon, teachers, farmers, and factory workers could own a car for the first time. The Model T became known as the car that put the world on wheels. Number 3, he changed the way things are made. To build lots of cars fast, Ford created something called the assembly line. Instead of one person building an entire car, workers stood in a line and added one part as the car moved down a belt. This way, each person became an expert in one small task. It made building cars faster and cheaper. Before the assembly line, it took over 12 hours to make a single car. With Ford's method, it took only 90 minutes. Today, almost every factory in the world uses this idea. Number 3, he paid workers more. On purpose. In 1914, Henry Ford made a bold decision. He doubled the pay of his workers to $5 a day. At the time, most people thought he was crazy, but Ford had a smart reason. He believed that workers who earned more would stay longer, work harder, and most importantly, be able to afford the cars they built. His plan worked. Productivity soared, and his workers became his customers. This helped create the American middle class and changed how companies treated their employees. Number 5, he believed in learning by doing. Ford didn't have much formal schooling. He left school early and learned by experimenting, building, and fixing things. He believed that people learn best when they use their hands and their minds together. He once said, "Failure is only the opportunity to begin again, this time more wisely." Ford even built a museum called the Henry Ford Museum, filled with inventions and machines, so kids and adults could learn by seeing how things worked. It's still open today in Michigan and is one of the largest museums of its kind. Henry Ford's ideas about work, invention, and fairness helped shape the modern world. He didn't just build cars, he built a way for people to dream bigger, travel farther, and live better. Thanks to him, a journey that once took hours by horse could now be done in minutes by car.